Introducing DuraPost HORIZON, our premium aluminium fence panel range for modern outdoor spaces. Now available in the classic black and the all-new Anthracite Grey, a refined contemporary colour designed to elevate any setting, delivering a sleek, minimalistic look with long-lasting, maintenance-free performance. DuraPost HORIZON panels are made from durable, aluminium and fully recyclable, offering exceptional peace of mind, particularly in areas of nature when timber could be a concern. Choose between privacy and screen panels, both supplied as loose boards and infills, which assemble into 600mm modules. Installation is simple. Place the infills into the posts and then slide the boards in, adding spaces for the screen panels as required. Fully compatible with DuraPost steel posts and existing concrete posts. Each panel is finished using a high-quality Qualicoat-approved powder coating for a long-lasting colour and protection, available in black and now in Anthracite Grey. DuraPost HORIZON, you get a modern, durable and easy-to-install fencing solution that enhances any garden with a sleek, timeless finish. Find out more, order a free sample and explore the full DuraPost HORIZON range at www.birkdalesales.com.